Assalamualaikum everyone. So today we have a question 4 to the power 9 plus 4 to the power 9 plus 4 to the power 9 plus 4 to the power 9 over 2 to the power 9 plus 2 to the power 9. How we will solve this? Here we can see that 4 to the power 9 is common. So what we will do? We will take common 4 to the power 9 and 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 over here we can take common 2 to the power 9. So 2 to the power 9 1 plus 1. Okay, we can write this 4 to the power 9 times 4 over 2 to the power 9 times 2. So further what we can do, we have to split this 4 to the power 9 into 2 into 2 whole power 9 into 4, and 2 to the power 9 will be same into 2, and we can clearly see that this and this can be done. So and let's rewrite separately 2 to the power 9 into 2 to the power 9 into 2 over 2 to the power 9, and we can cancel 2 to the power 9 2 to the power 9. So what we are left with 2 to the power 9 into 2, and here is a 1 here. So what we will do, bases are same, so power can be added, so we can write this into 2 to the power 10. This is the answer.